In today's video, I'll be unboxing a rotary cutter and a quilting mat I just ordered from Amazon. This is Fiskars all-purpose cutting rotary cutter. Wow. Wow, this is very handy. Now let's unbox the quilting mat as well. That is why it is packed in this big box. So let's unbox this and see what we have inside. Wow, wow, amazing. Wow. So here we have Fiskars rotary cutter and Fiskars quilting mat, and I believe this is going to improve the quality of my sewing project. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of this rotary cutter and this rotary mat. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. It really makes a huge difference. Now let me show you how to make use of this rotary cutter and this rotary mat. This is just a sample video of how to make use of this rotary cutter and this rotary mat. Now we are going to be cutting out this fabric. You grab your rotary cutter like this and you place your ruler straight Now this is what we have right here. I think this is much more better and faster than using a pair of scissors, and with this rotary cutter you're going to get a clean and smooth line. That is just the use of this rotary cutter with this quilting mat. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this video very useful. Please make sure you turn on your notification bell and like this video, and most importantly, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you.